Archive and restore a classroom in GoGuardian. To archive a class to help clean up your view, so you might do this at semester or to prepare for the start of a school year. It also might be at quarter, just to clean up your view so you have your active courses are what you see and interact with on a day to day basis. So if you have this, say this test class is the one that I want to archive, I can click on the settings gear and I can click archive class and it archives the class. The other option is to click in the tile and then go to the settings gear and then scroll all the way down and click archive classroom. And so there's two places to access that. I'm going to go back to my classrooms. And so, say I accidentally archived a class that I don't want to archive, I can click on archived and I can find that class. So, say this purple one was the one I wanted to restore. I can click on the restore button and it will restore the class. The other option I have is clicking on the tile itself and I can go under the settings tab and I can scroll down and go to restore classroom. If I go back in my classrooms, I see that both courses are back in there.